In just a moment, I'm going to reveal a brand new method for making a lot of money online by using Google Translate for free. Now, here is all the money you could make, anywhere from $1,000 to $2,000. However, you must follow my basic and straightforward directions in this video. You don't need any special abilities or prior expertise to perform this. And the best part is, the procedure is completely free. You no longer need to pay money to do this. This is available all around the world. It makes no difference where you come from. You may apply today's strategy to start making money online. So utilizing today's strategy, this is how much money you can make. You can earn anywhere from $50 to $100 if you translate one file using Google Translate. You can earn up to $500 if you translate 5 files. You can earn up to $1,000 if you do it for 10 files. This is a huge earning potential because you can do it over and over again. Hey there! Welcome to Online Money Mastery. I teach tips and tricks in making money online. Subscribe to the YouTube channel and hit the notification bell so you'll be updated whenever I upload a new video. Just smash the like button and leave a comment below. Now let's jump to the video. So, in a moment, I'll show you all of the steps you need to take. It's possible to do it on your computer or on your phone. I'll also show you how to make a lot of money online by using Google Translate. First, all I want you to do is go over to this website right here. This website is Latium.org. But before you go to this website, I'd like to teach you how to sign up and explain how this works, as well as all of the processes and training in this video, so you can do exactly what I did before you go in and try it for yourself. As you can see here, you can earn from hundreds at least and thousands at most. There is a lot of money to be made and a lot of jobs to be had all around the world. So let me show you how it works first, and then I'll show you how to sign up and get a free sign-up bonus in a moment. Be sure to don't lose out on that opportunity. Once you've signed up for this website, you'll be able to browse through numerous projects. I'd like to show you some featured projects right now. There are a variety of projects, offers, and tasks that you can take on. You can earn in dollars, Bitcoin, PayPal, and more. You can choose your payment method depending on your country's preferences. After you look for a project, you need to complete the task. Complete the project to the employer's specification and submit your work through the Latium contract management system. And that's it. You will be paid. Once your work has been reviewed and approved, payment will be released immediately to your Latium wallet. So right now, I'm going to show you how to sign up for free and earn bonus money. When you are on the website's homepage, all you need to do is click on I want to work right here, and you will come to this page and enter your email. Have a click on this CAPTCHA right here and click on sign up. Be sure that the email you enter is 100% working because they will send you a confirmation link. Now, all you need to do is go to your email and look for their message. Their message looks like this. All you need to do is scroll a little bit and click on confirm email right here. Doing so, you will be redirected to this website wherein you will be entering your details. Just enter your first name, last name, email, username, and password right here. Have a click on this box and have a powerful click on continue. Once you have already logged into your brand new account, you need to click on browse project right here on the top. By doing so, you should be able to see the various projects in which you can participate. You can choose whatever job you want. The issue is that there are so many projects and tasks to complete, and I know that many of you, including myself, have no prior knowledge. Before I show you the next steps in making money online, don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up and hit that subscribe and bell icon so you'll always be updated about new ways to make money online. Now, for us to earn a lot of money online through this platform, I want you to focus on translation and languages. All you need to do is click on Translation and Language right here on the left portion of the website. Now, you will see all the jobs related to the said category. As you can see, you can earn hundreds of dollars by just doing a simple translation. You will be translating articles from Hindi to English, Japanese to English, and much more. Now, I want to show you how to do the translation in the easiest manner. This is an example of the job that you may receive. As you can see here, you might actually get a Hindi article. Now, your job is to translate this Hindi article into English, and by doing that job, you will be paid $110. Now, I know that many of you are coming from all over the world. As a result, you may not be able to translate between languages. But what I want to show you in this video is how you can use Google Translate to help you with your work and automate the process so that you can earn over and over. Now, all you need to do is go to Google and search for Google Translate. If you do so, you will now see this one right here. Right on the left side, you can enter the text that you need to translate, and on the right side, you can see the translation. As you can observe, this working space right here is so small. All you need to do now is click this one right here. Doing so, you will be redirected to this page wherein you now have a much bigger working space. All you need to do now is go back to the article they sent to you and copy all of those. Then, now proceed to Google Translate and paste it right here. As you can see now, the language that I pasted was detected, and it was correct. Now, on the right side, you will set this to English and be translated automatically. Now, all you need to do is to copy this text right here. All you need to do now is create a new Google document and paste the translated text. You will now repeat the process until you finish the whole text. If you want to do it faster, you may upload the document right on Google Translate. To do that, just go to the upper left portion of the site and click on the document right here. Then, click on Browse Document, and you may now select the file that you need to translate. Once you're done translating the document, you may now submit it to Latium and earn hundreds of dollars. Thank you for watching. If you like this video and enjoy my content, be sure to leave a thumbs up below to support my channel. And for you not to miss any of my future videos, then click on the subscribe button and make a ring on the notification bell so that you will be notified whenever a new video pops up. This is Online Money Mastery. Happy earning! See you in the next video.